The goal of our department has long been to teach students to be critical thinkers, people who are motivated to make a difference with the skills they have.
As a small liberal arts college, we're really all about our students. And that means that individual students get a lot more time from their professors. That might be extra time helping them to understand something that they're struggling with in class. That might mean extra time of talking about what career path the student wants to go on.
In our department, we have a really broad group of faculty members with really diverse research interests. And as a result, that means that we can take anybody who's interested in any field of psychology, if they're interested in social psychology and the development of intergroup relationships, or if you want to come work with me and study how children learn and think, all the way to thinking about how adults think and how we learn and memorize and explore our world. We're also really interested in meeting students and what their interests are to see if we can help them explore research topics and provide classes and opportunities for them to explore everything that's meaningful to them within the field of psychology.
One thing that I think our psychology department really does well is to facilitate internships for students. So when a student asks me like, hey, I'm thinking I might want to be a counselor or a school psychologist or a forensic psychologist, then I can say like, hey, you know what, our students have a great reputation in the community. I know this person or that person who might be willing to take you on next semester. And so I'll call them up and make that connection for the student.
I think we've proven to be very successful in getting our students connected to opportunities that are meaningful to them. A lot of that has to do with the advising relationship, whether it's experiences in the classroom, learning things in the laboratory, or again out in our broader community. This is one of the values of a smaller institution like ours, in that we get to know our students very well.